This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Kinemaster and creating a new project so you can work quickly and avoid later reconfiguration. Import your photo files, then add a solid background or video track. This anchors composition. Once done, drag the photo to the primary layer and set its duration shorter for fast cuts, longer for slow pans. Make sure to back up originals before edits, because changes in Kinemaster are non-destructive only if you export a copy, not overwrite. You now refine each photo. Tap crop and use pan and zoom to create parallax movement. Add keyframes to control speed and easing, because motion sells static images. Next, open color adjust and tweak exposure, contrast, and saturation to match scenes. Subtle sharpening improves perceived detail. Then layer overlays or masks to isolate subjects. This helps when combining elements. Make sure to preview at full resolution and on a short loop, so color grading and motion feel coherent across the edit. You finish by sequencing transitions, aligning audio, and balancing sound levels. Use audio ducking when narration sits over music, because clarity matters. Once satisfied, choose export settings. Pick resolution and bitrate that match your delivery platform. For example, 1080p at 8 to 12 Mbps for web. If export stalls, clear Kinemaster cache, reduce bitrate, or split the project into smaller segments. These steps resolve memory and encoding errors. Finally, review the exported file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.